So here's the old one. See, the button doesn't work. So it's really, you don't even need any tools. If you have strong fingertips or hands, you can just pop it out, unplug this without messing up the connections. So what do we do is doing this the wrong way. God. Okay, the little green tab right there. Just push it in, pull it out. See the little 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 of those pieces. Those little, I can't even find on my brain. And that's it. And you go this way. You can't mess it up. So the 6. Yeah, so it'll be like this. According to the shape of, should fit right in.